UV spectroscopy. UV spectroscopy, ultraviolet and visible spectroscopy. Ultraviolet and visible absorption spectroscopy is the measurement of the attenuation of a beam of light after it passes through a sample or after reflection from a sample surface. Absorption measurements can be at a single wavelength or over an extended spectral range. UV radiation. The region beyond red is called infrared, while that beyond violet is called as ultraviolet. The wavelength range of UV radiation starts at blue end of visible light 4000 angstrom and end at 2000 angstrom. This is the visible, ultraviolet or infrared spectroscopy diagram. Type of transitions. In UV spectroscopy, molecule undergoes electronic transitions involving sigma, pi, and n electrons. Four types of electronic transition are possible. First is sigma star transition. Second is n sigma star transition. Third is n pi star transition. Fourth is pi star transition. First, sigma and sigma transition. An electron in a bonding sigma orbital of a molecule is excited to the corresponding anti-bonding orbital by the absorption of radiation. To include a sigma star transition is required large energy. Example, methane. Methane contains only single carbon hydrogen bonds. It undergoes only sigma star transition only if gives absorption maximum at 125 nanometer. Second is n sigma star transition. In this type, saturated compound containing atoms with unshared electron pair are undergoes n sigma star transition. It's required less energy than the sigma star types. Most of the absorption peaks appearing below 200 nanometer. In the presence of polar solvents, the absorption maximum tend to shift shorter wavelength. Example have water or ethanol. In this, the peak in ultraviolet region relatively small. Example, methyl chloride, oxygen and nitrogen. Third is n pi star and pi star transitions. Most organic compounds are undergoes transition for n pi star and pi star transition because energy is required for processing bring the absorption peaks into spectral region. Both transition required the presence of an unsaturated functional group to the orbital, like pi star alkane, carbonyl compounds and alkyne, and pi star is carbonyl compounds. This is the diagram for four types of transition: sigma bonding, pi bonding, and non-bonding, then pi star anti-bonding and sigma star anti-bonding. Auxochrome. It is the group which itself does not act as a chromophore, but when attached to chromophore, it shifts the absorption maximum towards longer wavelength along with an increase in intensity of adsorption is called auxochrome. Example, OH, NH2, OR groups. When the auxochrome NH2 is attached to the benzene ring, its absorption change from lambda maximum 255 to 280 nanometer. Types. This is two types of. First type bathochromic groups and second hypsochromic group. Bathochromic groups. Those groups which depend the color of chromosome are called bathochromic groups. Depending of color means displacement of longer wavelengths: yellow, orange, red, purple, violet, blue, green. Hypsochromic groups. Those groups which dimensions of lighting the color of the chromosome are called hypsochromic group. They cause displacement to shorter wavelength. Example, acetylation of OH or NH2 group, OCOCH3 and NHCOCH3. This is the diagram of hypsochromic, bathochromic, hyperchromic or hypochromic. Woodward-Fisher rule. It is used for calculating the absorption maxima. Woodward in 1941 gave certain rules for correlating lambda maximum with the molecular structure. This rule for calculating lambda maximum in conjugated dienes, trienes, polyenes. First, homoannular dienes. Cyclic dienes have conjugated double bond in the same ring. This is the example. Heteroannular dienes. Endocyclic double bond, it is the double bond present in ring as shown. Endocyclic double bond. Exocyclic double bond in which one of the double bonded atom is the part of the ring. Woodward-Fisher rule for conjugated diene. This is the example. Parent value. The first is acyclic and heteroannular conjugated dienes fix is 215 nanometer. Homoannular conjugated dienes 253 nanometer. Acyclic trienes 245 nanometer. Incrementals जो each alkyne substrate or ring residue is 5 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond is 5. Double bond extending conjugation 30 nanometer. Auxochrome which attached OR is 6 nanometer, SR is 30 nanometer, CLBR is 5 nanometer, NR2 is 60 nanometer, OCOCH3 is 0 nanometer. The question 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane 1,3-diene. Present parent value for homoannular dienes 253, 2 alkyl substitute 2 into 5, 10, 2 ring residue 2 into 5, 10, calculate value is 240 to 273 nanometer. Solvent effect intensity. Solvent can induce significant changes in the intensity of peak. Hyperchromic increase in absorption intensity, hypochromic decrease in absorption intensity. Absorption character of 2-methyl pyridine, solvent hexane, chloroform, ethane, ethanol, water, ethanol में lambda maximum is different. Solvent extraction, solvent effects, pi star transition lead to more polar excited state that it more easily stabilized bipolar solvent associations H bond. The pi star state is more polar and stabilized more in polar solvent relative to non-polar ones. First is going for non-polar to polar solvent, there is a red shift or bathochromic shift. For N to pi star transition, the N state is much more easily stabilized by polar solvent effect. So in going for non-polar to polar solvent, there is a blue shift or hypochromic, hypsochromic shift. This is the diagram of polar and non-polar solvent. Thank you.